In this video, you will learn how to display bestseller products in WooCommerce. We will be using the WebToffee WooCommerce bestseller plugin for this purpose. Let's begin with uploading the plugin zip file. Then, click on the Install Now button to install the plugin. After installation, activate the plugin. Then, navigate to the WooCommerce tab and select Bestsellers. Here we have the bestseller settings page. Choose where you want to display the bestseller sliders on your store website. We can add the slider to our shop page, category page, and individual product page. Next, you have the option to choose how you want to show the bestseller products. You can show bestsellers based on total sales count or sales for a particular period. Then choose the maximum number of products to be displayed as bestsellers. The default value will be 3, but let's go with 25. You can highlight best-selling products in your store using a bestseller label. Add a bestseller label on the product thumbnail by enabling this checkbox. This is how a bestseller label will look on the product thumbnail. You can customize this bestseller label, which we will discuss in the later part of this video. If you want to add a custom bestseller seal on the product page, you can do so by enabling this option. As you can see, this is a custom bestseller seal on the product page. Here, we have the option to display ranking positions for bestseller products based on categories. Enabling this checkbox will display a ranking position on the product page. You can see here that this hoodie is ranked 7th in accessories and 5th in hoodies. This is really helpful for your customers to find out the best-selling products on different categories. If you want to add a link to the bestseller category page, you can enable this checkbox. As you can see, these are clickable links that will take you to the best sellers of the specific category. You may enable this checkbox to exclude out-of-stock products to be displayed as best sellers. You can also add a See More link on the cider title to the bestseller category page by enabling this option. By checking this checkbox, you can add separate bestseller sliders on the product page if a product belongs to multiple categories. That's it for the general settings of the bestseller plugin. Now, we have some advanced settings here. Let's look at them in detail. Firstly, we have the slider settings. You can add a title for the slider on the shop page. Then choose a position for the slider. You can select the position as top or bottom. Let's choose bottom. Likewise, you can choose separate titles and positions for sliders on the category page and product page. Then, we have the option to enable slider on our store site. Keep this checkbox enabled. Next, choose a slider type. The swiper slider will be selected by default. You may switch to BX slider if there is any conflict with your website theme. Let's choose the swiper slider here. Here, you can specify the width for the slider in percentage. Let's keep it 100. Next, we have the option to choose the number of products to be displayed on the slider per single view for different devices like desktop, tablet, and mobile. Let's keep them as default. The next options are for bestseller label settings. You can add a title for the bestseller label. Then choose the background color and text color for the label. Here, we have different label styles such as cross left, straight, cross right, cross bottom left, cross bottom right. Let's choose cross left. You can live preview the changes below. And then, we have the bestseller seal settings. You can upload a custom seal from here to display on the bestseller product page. You can upload an image from your local storage or choose one from your media library. Then choose a position for the seal. These are the available options. After choosing the seal position, click on Save Changes to save the settings. Now let's go to the front end of our website. Here you can see, we have a separate bestseller page. Let's go to the bestseller page. You can see all the best-selling products on our store listed here. Now, let's go to the shop page. Let's choose a product from the best sellers. As you can see, we have the bestseller label here. You can see the ranking position for different categories. Our custom bestseller seal is here. On scrolling down, we can see the slider for best sellers in accessories category and a see more link on the title to view more best sellers in accessories. As we have enabled to view multiple bestseller sliders on the product page, you can also see best sellers in hoodies with a see more link. So this was a quick setup guide for the WooCommerce bestseller plugin to display best-selling products on your WooCommerce store. If you have any queries regarding the plugin, drop them in the comments section. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more updates.